Welcome to Surds Level 1, one step in a level by level practice course. Pause the video now, try the problems on the screen, and I'll go through them with you shortly. At the end of the video, you can use the end screen to either practice more at this level or move up to the next one, and you can find topic by topic playlists on the channel homepage. In problem 1, we're simplifying the square root of 20. Now to simplify this, we need to find two numbers that multiply to make 20, where one of them is a square number. So if we look at our list of square numbers greater than 1, we can see that 4 can divide exactly into 20, so it's a factor of 20. And this is the largest number on that list that will do that. So we can rewrite 20 as 4 multiplied by 5. And this means that the square root of 20 can be rewritten as the square root of 4 times the square root of 5. Now because 4 is a square number, we can square root it, and the square root of 4 is 2. So this gives us 2 root 5. And because 5 can't be broken up into two numbers, where one of them is on our list, this is simplified. So 2 root 5 is our final answer to problem 1. In problem 2, we're simplifying the square root of 75. Again here we'd like to find two numbers that multiply together to make 75, where one is a square number. Now looking at our list of square numbers greater than 1, we can see that 25 is a factor of 75, because 75 can be written as 25 multiplied by 3, and 25 is the largest factor on that list. So we can rewrite 75 as the square root of 25 multiplied by the square root of 3. And because 25 is a square number, we can square root it, and the square root of 25 is 5. So this becomes 5 root 3, and this is simplified, so it's our final answer to problem 2. In problem 3, we're simplifying 2 times the square root of 54. Now focusing on the square root of 54, to simplify this we need two numbers that multiply to make 54, where one of them is a square number. And if we look again at our list of square numbers greater than 1, we can see that 9 is a factor of 54, because 9 times 6 is 54, and there aren't any other numbers on that list that divide into it. So we can rewrite 54 as 9 multiplied by 6. And this means that 2 times the square root of 54 can be written as 2 multiplied by the square root of 9 times the square root of 6. Now because 9 is a square number, we can square root it, and the square root of 9 is 3. So this becomes 2 multiplied by 3 root 6. And because 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 3 root 6 becomes 6 root 6. And the 6 under our square root can't be split up again using any of the numbers on the list, so this is simplified, and 6 root 6 is our final answer to problem 3. In problem 4, we're simplifying 3 times the square root of 200. Now to do this, and focusing on the square root of 200, we want to find two numbers that multiply together to make 200, where one of them is a square number. Now looking at our list of square numbers greater than 1, we can see that there are a few numbers on here that are factors of 200. So 4 divides into 200 exactly, so does 25, and so does 100. And we want to take the largest of these numbers. So we're going to take 100, and we can rewrite 200 as 100 multiplied by 2. So what this means is that 3 times the square root of 200 can be written as 3 multiplied by the square root of 100 multiplied by the square root of 2. Now because 100 is a square number, we can square root it. So this becomes 3 multiplied by the square root of 100 is 10, because 10 times 10 is 100, and we have a root 2 after it. Now because 3 times 10 is 30, 3 times 10 root 2 is just 30 root 2. This has been simplified, so it's our final answer to problem 4. Now we could also have got the same result by using one of the other factors on the list, and it's just a bit more work to do this. So we could have chosen 25 to do this problem, and 200 can be written as 25 multiplied by 8. So what this would mean is that the 3 times the square root of 200 can be written as 3 multiplied by the square root of 25 times the square root of 8. Now 25 is a square number, so we can square root it. So this becomes 3 multiplied by the square root of 25 is 5. So we get 5 root 8, and 3 times 5 is 15. So this is 15 root 8. Now the reason this looks different from the answer that we got earlier is because it's not fully simplified still. And the reason for that is that we can still split 8 into 4 times 2, where 4 is a square number. So this can now be written as 15 times the square root of 4 times the square root of 2. And because the square root of 4 is 2, this becomes 15 multiplied by 2 times the square root of 2. And because 15 times 2 is 30, 15 times 2 root 2 is 30 root 2. And this matches the answer that we got earlier on.